Hey guys, Ken from Veteran Screen Printing. Today we're going to go over ways to save you some money and where to buy some stuff that will save you money in screen printing. Let's roll that intro and get into it. Alright guys, so there's tons and tons of ways that can save you money in screen printing. When you're first starting off, I mean, even today, we're in a shop. We started off in a 7x7 shed in our driveway, then went to a 10x20 carport in our driveway, and now we're in a 1,200 square foot shop. Even being 3 years in and making good money, we still go to the dollar store and or Amazon and purchase these items. But if you're first starting off and you need to save that money because you know trying to keep that overhead down, there's one way you can save money, and that is going to the dollar store, guys. Now you're gonna laugh, right? But look at Sharpie. I got a Sharpie for $1, okay? And I use this when I'm marking stuff up on my my platens. All right, I use this throughout the shop. Tons of markers around my shop. Another thing is you're gonna laugh. Condiment bottles. Now you're gonna say, why do I need condiment bottles? All right. Well, condiment bottles. You can actually black this out with a Sharpie. Keep it in your screen, your where you coat your screens. All right, put some emulsion in this. All right, and when you have pinholes, you can take a little bit of this instead of open up your tub. Take a little bit of this, dab it on there with some Q-tips. There you go, condiment bottle. Dollar store. I got 2 of them for $1. 2 of them. Now, do you guys use scrub pads? Everybody uses scrub pads when you're scrubbing your screens, right? Look at, I got a 5-pack of scrubs at the dollar store. 5-pack. Put some gloves on, use these. Save you a crap load of money. I think you get, they're like $5 for a 3-pack or something around there at Screen Printing Online. I got 5 for $1. Painter's tape, right? Or what about packing tape? As you know, in all my videos, I use painter's tape on my screens. Why? Because I can get it on a Saturday. I can get it on a Sunday. All right? I can go to Home Depot and get painter's tape if I want a big pack of them. Or I can go to a dollar store and get a roll of painter's tape for $1. Packing tape. All right? If you don't want to grab the transfer tape for vinyl, right? Because when you do a test sheet on the press and you want to test it out, if you got multicolor, you lay down a little bit of packing tape instead of using transfer tape. $1 all day. Now, who makes special colors? Mixing bowls right here. I got a Betty Crocker 2-pack, and each one's 2 cups. All right. Make a little bit of special ink for a customer. 2-pack. $1 right here. Easy. Now guys, each dollar store is going to be different. The thing is there's ways to save money in screen printing. This is just one of the ways that, and you can probably buy Q-tips for this, right? I can use my dollar store marker to color it, right? So there's tons and tons of ways here to save money in screen printing. This is just some of the items that I use still. Now, I do go to Amazon a lot and purchase my stuff. I'll leave a link down below for some of the stuff I actually still buy just through Amazon, so I don't have, because sometimes I don't have time to run to the store. I work a full-time job and I screen print at night. So, if I don't have time, I just order it on Amazon. It'll show up at my house, and there you go. But I'll have some descriptions and links below where you guys can buy it. And it definitely will help us if you do use our links, because we do get a little bit of money for it. We try to bring value to you guys, giving you guys these videos for free. And that's just a little way that you guys can help us keep on coming out with more and more content. Again, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you can, share it, like this video. It definitely helps our channel grow and help to get out to more people with screen printing. We're just showing you what we do here in our shop and ways to save money, and this is just one of the ways. So if you guys like this, please like it, please share it. Till next time, be safe and have fun.